just saying, as long as you have like at least 20 things, like pictures, videos on your OnlyFans within an hour to a few hours, you can have hundreds of new likes. And I'm gonna give y'all the tea on how you can do that. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So today, I don't know what we're doing yet. Let me look at the poll. So I did a poll on YouTube on what y'all wanted to see first for like an OnlyFans video, because I haven't done an OnlyFans video in a while. So okay, so as of this video, let me see which one has more votes. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing a video on how to gain a bunch of likes on OnlyFans. The other video I was gonna do is OnlyFans and filing taxes. I will do that one, but I'm gonna do this one first since this is the one most people want to see. So this video is how to gain a bunch of likes on OnlyFans. So I'm gonna scoot over because I'm probably gonna be doing screen recording, and I'll just put it like over here, hopefully. So should be a fairly quick video, hopefully, if I don't like over explain shit, which I tend to do because I suck at explaining shit, so bear with me. But before we get into the video, my name is Danique, and I'll give you a second to subscribe to me. Period. We turn up on this channel, I have more great content like this. So let's get into it. The whole purpose of the video is to get a bunch of likes, and some of the benefits of having a lot of likes: if you have a lot of likes, it looks more appealing and people are gonna want to subscribe to your OnlyFans. They see you have a bunch of likes, they're gonna be like, this content must be good if she has all these likes on her page. So basically, likes equals more fans. I've noticed since I've gotten more likes, I get more people subscribing to me. So I don't know, I just feel like it looks more appealing. If you go on a girl's OnlyFans and she has like 5 likes, you're gonna be like, this probably isn't it. But if you go to someone's page and you see they have like 3,000 likes, you're gonna be like, oh, she got a lot of likes, she must be running up on here. Like, let me subscribe to see why she got all these likes, you know what I mean? So that's like the best way I can explain it. I'm gonna tell y'all how y'all can get a bunch of likes in a literal fucking hour. Like, you could run up hundreds of likes in an hour if you have a lot of content on your page. It definitely depends on the amount of content you have, but I'm just saying, as long as you have like at least 20 things, like pictures, videos on your OnlyFans within an hour to a few hours, you can have hundreds of new likes. And I'm gonna give y'all the tea on how you can do that. Okay, so this trick I used to use a lot. I don't do it anymore because it does require you to make your page free for a certain amount of time. You can do it without making your page free, but I feel like it doesn't work as great, so I wouldn't really recommend. The way I do it, I make my page free to get these likes, and I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. But again, you can, you know, still charge and try to do this, but I don't think it'll work as good, to be honest. So I'm gonna show y'all what I do. But like I said, I do not do this anymore because, girl, I moved into this apartment and I need my coin, and I can't be having my page free anymore, okay? But I'm gonna show y'all how I do it. So I'm gonna put the screen record up. I'm gonna show y'all what I do. So first, this is my OnlyFans page. I'm not gonna show y'all like all my shit, but I do have right now, I think, like 6.5k likes. Yes, I have a lot of likes, but I also have a lot of content on my page, so that's tea. So what you want to do is add a promotional campaign. I'm like trying to show y'all, but it's gonna be on the screen, okay? So you want to add a promotional campaign. So once you do that, you're gonna go on free trial, and you can set it for however many subscribers. When I do these promotions, it gets a lot of attention, so I would probably do like 50 to 100. I'm only gonna do 50 because I'm probably not gonna keep this up, because like I said, I need my coins, so I can't be having my page free like this anymore. Okay. So you can apply to expired subscribers if you want. I usually don't. I'm actually not gonna do that because they don't deserve this benefit. They're expired. Why are you expired? Why don't you have your renew one? Okay. Okay, so when I do free trials, I only make it for 1 day, tops 3, but do not have your shit for free for more than 3 days, because that's just people taking advantage of your content. After 3 days, you're gonna probably had already screenshot all your shit and they just got off on you for free. So yeah, don't do that. So I am gonna do for 1 day duration for the free trial, and it expires in a day, so the promotion is over in a day. So for the message, this is how you get your likes. Okay, so you can put your own little twist on it. I say I'm gonna show y'all what I say. Well, I'm gonna tell y'all too. I don't know, like I said, I'm not good at explaining shit, y'all. This sucks. Okay, so I'm gonna say, hey babes. That's what I call my fans. Hey babe. Oops. Hey babes. Like 50 plus pics, then message me. Hey Danique, when you're done, for a free pic. Whoops, for a free pic. Okay, so that's what I would say, something like that. I don't know if I can say it on YouTube, but you can do like a free topless pic, you know, or a free, you know, video. You know, be creative to get your coin. Also, even though it is a free trial, I have a welcome message. This is just like a side tip. I have a welcome message with a video they can unlock. So most of the time when people subscribe, even if it's for free, I still get money from the unlocked message, from the locked message, because they want to see it. That's just a tip, side tip. But this is this is the message I usually put when I want to get a lot of likes quickly. So yeah, so I have a lot of content on my I'm actually gonna post this offer, because like I said, I don't do free anymore. So I'm actually changed mine back to what it was before. But yeah, I don't do the free shit anymore, but I did do this before to get a lot of likes, like every so often. Okay, so I say 50 plus pics because I have a lot of content, and I know that no one's gonna sit down and scroll through all those pictures and stuff to like them just so they could get a free pic. But some of them, even if I say 50 plus, they still do like all of my pictures. So you can tell them, you know, like all my pics, and you'll get a free video from me. And once you promote that, however you promote your OnlyFans videos, I've done a video on how to promote them, so you can go watch that if you like. That's a different topic, but once you promote that, you will see right away, since your profile is free and they want that free pic too, you get notifications back to fucking back, and you'll notice your likes go up like crazy. And it's a good thing, because even though you might not be making money at that point, like I said, you can make an unlocked message, and once they subscribe, they're going to want to see the unlocked message, so you'll get the money from your unlocked message. And once that free trial's over, they also have the opportunity to you know, pay to be there. So yeah, you're not making the most money back on that, but likes equals more subscribers, and you still have the opportunity to make money in some other ways too. So it's not the worst idea if you're struggling with getting likes on your OnlyFans. But yeah, that's how you do that. And the reason why I put message me hey Danique when you're done is because, first of all, you want to go check to make sure that they actually liked it. If they message you hey Danique and you go back to your notifications and they only like 2 pics, you're gonna be like, no, this is not that, sir. Okay. And another thing is, since your notifications are going so fast, you might not even see all of them. So you can go back and check them, just scroll and see, you know, that person's name a lot of times in a row. You like, okay, you liked enough. You're not gonna go count back 50 fucking likes, obviously. But yeah, it's just a way to keep up with it, because you're gonna get a lot of notifications after you promote that, because they're gonna want that free pic or video, okay? But yeah, I gotta wrap this video up because my camera's about to die. But let me know if you have any questions. I'm gonna be doing more OnlyFans videos soon, especially the one with taxes, since it's tax season. But yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Peace.